I'll have to do it the other way. Sun's right in my face, or behind us. Silver Cove RV Resort. But I think what happened, they were bought out by RV In Style Resorts. So it's part of a resort chain. It's, what would you say?
I would say that when I think of the word resort, I don't think of RV parks. I don't think that's what you meant. Piper.
She told you.
I'm not a fan of the large rocks for the driveways and the living areas, you know, that you pull in. It makes it very hard to walk.
Well, hold on. In our area. But look at this over here. These spots are a little bit different.
The rocks are a little smaller. Ours are huge.
Yeah.
They have a cooking stove over there.
Yeah, they have a pizza oven over here.
This is like, we're not talking any rhyme or reason. Come on.
Come on, Pipes.
Pipes, let's go.
Oh, look, you can fish down here. That's what they're doing. Huh. So look at, they have this area here. Look at the little outside area out here. Sit, relax. Kind of some cool and around action. Just kind of hang out down here. It's a little murky, dirty,
Yeah.
to say the least. It's kind of neat. I mean, I like it for this.
Mm-hmm. Careful. You're already on a hill. I'm afraid it's...
What do you think, Pipes? Oh, what do you think?
Harbor Camp.
Did we check out? Let's check out the bathrooms.
So these are the bathrooms. They've got, I think, 3 sets of restrooms in the whole park.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like they have, this is the women's, you get 2 stalls and 1 shower. And you actually lock the door when you're showering. So, yeah.
There you go.
So, you have to limit your shower to 10 minutes.
Oh,
Anyway.
how's the shower? I mean, it's a shower.
It's a shower.
That's clean.
Yeah. As clean as they get from
it's not bad.
Public showers. Anyway, or, you know, I guess public. Anyway, no, we wanted to show you what they look like, so they're clean.
Sometimes it's helpful to know what they have going on at places.
Yep.
But yeah, it's kind of cool. We got all this area behind us.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, I do like this.
So much grass in the bergs.
What do you think, Pipes?
You like it, Piper? Want to get in the water? Just kidding.
No.
Piper's like, that's my place.
Yeah.
I know where that is. I know home. Oh, God. Watch for holes.
Anyway, that's a small little loop of our little area, a little glimpse. We'll tootle around more in the next day or so.
Yeah, it's just our little loop.
But like we said, it's not a bad park. It's pricey for sure. Always check your pricing. This is the most expensive place we've stayed so far.
Absolutely, and
For
what you
how
get,
much it is, it's a lot. What I can say is the spot's nice and large. And this is, I mean, you pay for this a little bit, in my opinion. You pay extra for this. This is what you pay for, having all this space, not having anybody on top of you. Right, Piper? RV in style. Where do I know that from? Something?
It's the amphitheater.
Thank you.
You didn't know that?
No.
Oh. Now you're wearing them? It's family. Anyway. This scared me. Hey, we found the crazy cars.
Yeah, see, that's what I was looking for. What are these?
They're available from 10 today.
Thanks, Allie.
Welcome to that.
What are they? Available from 10 to 3:30.
Does it look like his arms are around us?
Zoe. She burned her tail last night.
Piper, come here. Piper, come here. Come on. That's a good girl.
Hi, Zoe. What you doing? Look at these little cabins. They're cute. So it is super dark out. The nice thing about here is, wish you could see it, but the stars are absolutely gorgeous out here. I think those are like red-breasted something up there. So there's a whole bunch of them.
Red-breasted somethings.
I don't know birds. I know crows. This is our last trip for a little while. It's fall.
It's definitely fall.
Weather's changing, you can feel it in the mornings, but it's really kind of pleasant. To be honest about this park is we were a little disappointed, I think, the first day, but overall, I mean, we were disappointed in the price, to be honest. That was about it.
Now that we've been here for a couple nights, it's really grown on me.
Yeah, it really has. I mean, the view out here is spectacular.
There's like these canals that run through the park.
Yeah, I think we showed you guys some of these canals, but they're really beautiful.
And you can rent a boat, you can rent boats and go through them. And it takes you to a larger body of water.
Yeah,
I'm assuming it's Silver
Lake.
Lake.
Takes you out to the lake and people do a lot of fishing.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to do that, mainly just because we weren't really prepared for it, and we only had, a full day, so.
Last trip here for a little while. We had a pretty good busy summer. Trips and doing a few things. Next summer will be a lot busier.
Hopefully. We haven't booked anything, but.
We will. We'll get some trips here on the books for next year. We got one coming up in November, so that'll be a fun one. Hopefully we'll stick with that.
Yeah, we'll see.
But thanks again, everybody, for watching our channel and enduring us.
Enduring? Are we that bad? Are we that bad?
Thank you
watch?
for spending time with us and watching some of our stuff. We have a fun time making it. This has been a great hobby for Christine and I, and we
we're still
thoroughly
learning.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
And who knows where our next adventures are going to take us, but we're going to keep doing it because
We enjoy it.
this is it. This is what we want to do, and who knows what will be next for us, but we're excited to keep doing it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this with your friends, and we'll see you guys next time down the road.